Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Antonio, again, Ford Godfather 15 still, they haven't blown yet. On Taramps 30K, I just keep turning the gain up and it keeps gaining.
Awesome. Did you fine tune this a little bit? You shrunk it?
Yeah, I've shrunk it. It's at about 315 square inches right now.
Okay. And it's louder, you feel, overall?
On the lows, what I was kind of going for,
yeah,
play down to about 26, 25, really strong.
Okay.
It drops off, it does a 58 to 26, and then like a 57 to 24.
Wow. Oh, that's a good number. All right. Air trim.
Girl, I know you ready, I ain't even gotta check. Oh, Nana, look what you done started. Oh, Nana, why you gotta act so naughty? TT Frog, you don't know who you fucking with. Rack City, bitch.
Appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Absolutely. I'm sure I'll see you next time too.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, we're all bass heads, man.
Look what you started. Oh, Nana, why you gotta act so naughty? Oh, nana. Look what you done started. Oh, nana. Look what you done started. Oh, nana. Why you gotta act so naughty? Oh, no, 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 no. Rack City, bitch. Rack City, bitch. Rack City. Oh, nana. Look what you done started. Oh, nana. Why you gotta act so naughty?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.